Now let's see the steps for registering in the PMI-CPMAI is the certification. So first you have to create a PMI account. Then you have to purchase the bundle, which also includes the 21-hour prep course as well as the exam voucher that will reduce your exam fees. Then you have to complete this mandatory 21-hour prep course. This is mandatory. You cannot skip this. Then you have to schedule your exam using via Pearson UE and choose whether you want to give an online proctored exam or a test center exam. Then you have to appear and pass the exam. You'll receive the result as soon as you'll receive your preliminary results as soon as you finish your exams. Then you have to download the certificate. So, what are the most common mistakes that are made by candidates? The first is memorizing phases without scenario practice. Then you have skipping responsible AI part, which is only 15%. This is also wrong as most of the questions will ask you questions related to this. Even though it is not dedicated to the domain, this is something that bleeds into every domain. Then also taking the exam right after the 24 1 hour course is finished. That is wrong. You should make sure that you have practiced enough and you have started scoring 80% plus before scheduling the real exam. Also, not understanding these CPMAI phases in order. So, you have to make sure that you map every concept to a phase for clarity. Fifth is ignoring the data governance and pipeline concept. So, data needs is 26% of the weightage, so therefore, it is very important. And also having a structured plan is very important. Using INSEAD's 30-day structured CPMAI study plan, you can assure that you pass in the first attempt itself. So what are you waiting for? With INSEAD, you can easily get your certifications, and for further information, you can contact us. You can go to this website or contact us on our number. Thank you, and I hope this video was useful.